Hello everybody. In this video I'm going to show you the introducing app tracking protection for Android, the easiest way to block most tracker lurking in your app. So how to do this? So DuckDuckGo in launching app tracking protection for Android into a beta. A new feature is featuring our existing app that will block most third-party app. So yeah, for join the private web wish list, you should the install the DuckDuckGo from Google app. This is the Google app, and you search DuckDuckGo because this is my DuckDuckGo private web browser, and you have probably heard about the companies tracking your behind the scenes on smartphone apps. They don't want this hidden app tracker are super creepy because they can track everything you do in an app and also can continue to track you even when you are not using the app. Many of these trackers are designed to record your activity in real time, when you are and when you are doing, when you have been, and even how many hours you sleep at the night. Across all your app, your personal data is being sent to dozens on third-party companies thousands of times per week. This data enable tracking network like the social media so how to track your app? So first you download the DuckDuckGo. Okay, so you can download the DuckDuckGo. First you search DUCK DuckDuckGo from and you install it, because I have already installed. So this system should be updated for DuckDuckGo because the DuckDuckGo this app is available to update. So when you already install, go to the right top corner and click on the setting button. Click on the setting button and scroll it down. Yes, this is the app tracking protection. Yes, and this is email protection and DuckDuckGo desktop app. I have the DuckDuckGo desktop app in my computer. Email protection, I have the account in email protection, and app tracking protection in beta. Click on here, and you need not to extra app to install to track all your app. So DuckDuckGo is enough to track protection for your all apps. To continue it, how does it work? Continue, and you can see your whose your data app tracking protection is not a VPN. However, your device will recognize it is once. This is because it is use a local VPN connection to work. App tracking protection is defined. It never routed app data through external server. So enable app tracking protection. Click on here. Yes. Now app tracking protection is on, and you can see here. You can see here the app tracking protection. We can directly turn on the app tracking protection, and on click here we can activate the app tracking protection for or you can see here that the top you can see the one key icon on the right. So I have already app tracking protection on, so no company, no any other company track my everyday what I am doing in everyday, even in my sleep. So these tips are very small tips. It will help to you. So quickly you download the DuckDuckGo and activate the app tracking protection add-on. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video with a new tips. Bye bye.